With the recent news about the Bitcoin OS bringing together the Bitcoin and the Cardano blockchain, I thought it's the perfect time to tell you guys the whole story of Cardano. The story revolves around one particular person, and if you want to get to know Cardano, you have to learn about this person. Of course, I talk about Charles Hoskinson, a brilliant mathematician with a soft spot for nerd culture and revolutionary ideas. Charles Hoskinson started his journey in cryptoland as a co-founder of the second largest cryptocurrency after Bitcoin. Together with Vitalik Buterin and other geniuses, he created a platform that would change the world. Of course, I talk about Ethereum. But tensions soon flared within the Ethereum team, resulting in a sort of crypto soap opera. Vitalik wanted to keep Ethereum as a non-profit foundation, while Charles leaned towards a sustainable commercial model. After a bit of drama, Charles left Ethereum and went in search of a new challenge. Oh wait, not this again. After leaving Ethereum, Hoskinson thought to himself, why settle for just an ordinary crypto project when you can create a scientific crypto universe? And so he founded IOHK, Input Output Hong Kong, a company with a mysterious name dedicated to creating a blockchain grounded in scientific rigor. It sounds pretty fancy, right? Unlike most crypto projects born in California garages, Cardano began by working with academics and universities to craft a scientifically backed, thought through and researched blockchain. Cardano was named after the Renaissance genius Gerolamo Cardano, a mathematician with a similar flair for science and revolutionary ideas. The project's currency, ADA, is named after Ada Lovelace, the world's first programmer, a beautiful and truly genius woman. So you could say Charles took the nerd coolness factor to the max here. The development of Cardano was divided into several eras, each named after a historical figure in science, which I will lay out very quickly now because I don't want to waste your precious time. Byron was Cardano's first phase, starting in 2017 with the introduction of ADA. This phase laid the foundation of the blockchain and enabled ADA trading. Think of it like building a house. It looked nice, but it didn't have bathrooms or a backyard yet. In the Shelley era, the system was decentralized. A bit of like a house party where it's no longer the host who decides the playlist, but all the guests can chime in. With staking, the community could earn ADA by supporting the network, so it became a kind of party with a purpose. With Goguen, Cardano set out to finally introduce the famous smart contracts to compete with Ethereum. Of course, this couldn't happen without some drama. The launch was delayed and crypto Twitter went wild with impatience. Some even called it the eternal wait for Cardano. But eventually Goguen arrived with the Alonso upgrade, and that brought smart contracts to Cardano. The Basho era, named after the Japanese haiku poet, aimed to make Cardano more efficient and scalable. Imagine sprucing up the house and making the network fluffier, to accommodate millions of users without the service collapsing like a sandcastle. Voltaire represents the goal of making Cardano completely decentralized. By introducing voting rights for everyone, the community will have a say in the project's future. Charles calls this the cryptocurrency utopia, and we'll see how people respond to it. The Cardano community is legendary. Hoskinson himself is highly active on Twitter, where he delights his critics with eloquent and often amusing answers. He's known for doing hour-long video live streams where he explains everything from mathematics to crypto philosophy to his goat farm in Wyoming. Yes, he actually owns a goat farm, a place he describes as a haven of peace from all the crypto stress. His pet Nike even got his own cryptocurrency because it's just that cute. Look at it. The community itself is deeply engaged and almost fanatical, but in a charming Hogwarts meets Silicon Valley sort of way. Cardano events are like magical gatherings for crypto intellectuals. There's philosophy, debate, planning, and sometimes Charles himself shows up like a sort of crypto Dumbledore. Now and then he appears in his famous live streams where he always greets the community with the same words.
Hi, this is Charles Hoskinson broadcasting live from warm sunny Colorado.
Of course, this wouldn't be a crypto story without a bit of drama. Cardano is often criticized for improving slower than other projects and for taking longer to implement updates. Critics say there are more PowerPoint presentations than code, and not everyone loves the academic approach. But Hoskinson and his crew see things differently. They say that good things take time and that Cardano is built to be a blockchain for the ages. Currently, Cardano ranks among the top 10 cryptocurrencies worldwide and is used in various areas, from decentralized finance to projects in education and healthcare in Africa, and maybe soon to improve the digital infrastructure in Argentina. Hoskinson calls it world improvement through science, which sounds again pretty fancy. Cardano is not your typical crypto project. It's a blend of scientific excellence, patience, and the philosophy that one can build a perfect blockchain. Charles Hoskinson is the undisputed hero of this story, a mathematician with a vision supported by a fanatical community that's part Hogwarts and part Silicon Valley. Charles is also the main problem in the eyes of the critics. Some say he's crazy, some say he's a scammer, and some even say he's a leader of a cult. Nice. The story continues, and you can be sure it will feature some funny animal videos from Charles, some scientific updates, and some funny and witty comments from you guys, the community. Thanks for watching until now, show me your thumbs, and see you in the next one. Bye.